Reconditioned Servomex oxygen analyzer. For testing, we supply the unit with 220 volt AC power supply, and we add a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. For starters, we supply the unit with nitrogen gas in order to do a nitrogen test, and as soon as we do so, the percentage of oxygen falls to 0. The milliamp output is shown on the multimeter screen at about 4 milliamp. Afterwards, we supply the unit with atmospheric air input, and the percentage of oxygen rises to about 20.9%, and the milliamp output shown on the multimeter screen is at 17.32. It is now clear that the oxygen analyzer is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.